Hey everyone, welcome back. Quick video today. I bought myself a fan. It's not really a fan, it's a fume extractor. I've been soldering without one for a while now, using the trick of holding my breath when I have to solder a bunch of stuff and wait until the fumes pass. It's not recommended. So I broke down, I got myself a fume extractor. I found this one on Amazon. It's about 30 bucks. It's basically, the brand is Kotto, and it's got rubber feet. It's AC powered on off switch. It's got carbon filter in the front, and it's a big fan in the back here. As you can hear, it's not super quiet, but you know, it's a fan. Not quite sure how quiet it could be. Got a little handle. It's got good weight for sitting on a bench. It's not too heavy though. It seems to do the fume extraction thing pretty good. But what we can do is do a little test here, just to sort of show it off. What do I got here? I'm just gonna, I'll just solder on a piece of wood. Let's a couple drops of smoke magic, so known as rosin, and we'll get some solder out here. And the soldering iron, and let's see how well it works. Seems to do a pretty good job. Let's move it a little bit further away, see how we do here. Not bad. So, you know, if you position it a couple inches away from what you're working on, like I said, this is a good 6 or 8 inches away. It seems to do what it's supposed to. If I look out the back, I don't see any smoke coming out of the back of it, which is definitely a big plus. So yeah. So this is a there you go. Well, on the plus side, I have a nicely tinned soldering iron now. Put that back in the holder. So yeah, I mean, not too much to say about it. It comes with a replacement filter, which is right here. So it comes with one filter installed, another replacement filter. That's it. You know, $30-ish, something like that. Comes in yellow, or came in black. I got black because I got black. Definitely be helpful. Better than breathing in solder fumes. So if you need a cheap fume extractor, check it out. Like I said, it's by Kotto. I found it on Amazon. You know, $30, $35, somewhere around that price range. You know, cheap and cheerful, does what it needs to do. So, all right, that's it for this. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.